Hello guys and welcome back to this channel once more. And right now I'll be giving you guys 5 methods which you can actually use to make at least $100 every day within using your smartphone or just sitting at home and making money for yourself. With that being said guys, and without much ado, let's get into the video how to actually do this. You scale up and make more money for yourself as time actually tarries, and with time you make more money for yourself. And with that being said guys, let's get straight into the video on how to actually do it guys. Let's go. Hello and welcome back from that short break, and that will actually take us to these 5 methods which I will actually show you guys on how to actually make money online at least $100 or up to $100 every day consistently from your own home. Now I've actually listed out these 5 methods. So I've actually listed out these 5 income streams to actually make money for yourself, and that will actually lead us to the first one, which is actually freelancing. Yes guys, so freelancing is actually a way of making money online by going out and searching for jobs to actually do on the online space, depending on how the job actually is, either a small job or depending on how that job actually is. And you can actually do it on different freelancing websites. You can actually start on Fiverr or on Upwork. Fiverr is actually one of the biggest or even the biggest freelancing sites in the whole world. But you can actually start up with Upwork if you want to actually start making money immediately, because Fiverr is actually more populated than Upwork. Yeah, you can actually use freelancer.com, and there are different things to actually do on the online space as a freelancer. You can actually do copywriting as a freelancer, video editor, graphics designer, name them guys. There are a whole lot of things you can actually do as a as a freelancer. There was a time I was actually offering the gig of background removal, and it actually did well for me. I actually made a decent amount of money there, and even I jumped into this freelancing niche again called I think, what was it called? Alright, so I'll leave it in this. Okay, it was actually translation guys, translation of words, and it's actually good, and it's actually added up, translations of books, different things, and it actually added up. I made a whole lot of cash for myself actually, and that will actually lead us to the second one on my list, which is no other one but Amazon KDP. Yeah, I think there's Amazon KDP guys. Amazon KDP is actually Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Now, direct publishing is actually creating books, ebooks, different things on Amazon, and you make a whole lot of sales for yourself. You can actually do notebooks, notepads, different things, guys. Name it. There are storybooks online on Amazon who are actually killing it. Okay, let's take for instance, your book is actually listed on Amazon for $5.99, which is actually $6, or even $4.99, which is actually $5, and you get at least 100 sales every day, or even 20 sales every day. 20 times 5 is actually $100. Then you have actually made $100 within just sitting at your home, and it's actually autopilot because you have actually done it, and it's keep on making you consistent cash every day for yourself. And that will actually lead us to the third one on my list, which is actually creating your own digital marketing agency. Yes guys, you can actually create your own digital marketing agency as small as you are. Just get 1 or 2 people that know how to do it very well, collaborate and make more money for yourself. Having a creating your own digital agency for marketing, and that's actually it. You will actually make more money for yourself. Even you can actually do freelancing with this digital marketing also. Yeah, you can actually go on to Fiverr and Upwork and offer those kind of gigs and make money for yourself. Now that will actually lead us to the fourth one on my list, guys. The fourth one on my list is actually no other one but digital course, selling online courses, and you make a whole lot of cash. That was actually one of the stuff which actually made me a whole lot of cash by I think beginning of this year actually, and it made me a whole lot of cash. I will not actually mention the course I actually did. I had some courses on Udemy which I actually did, and it's blew up. Right, like guys, that was the time I started, and it was on high demand then, and that's why. But up to now, it's still an evergreen stuff, and it's making more money for myself. Evergreen is actually something that doesn't actually die up. Consistently, people are searching for it, and you keep on making money from it. And that will actually lead us to the fifth one on my list, which is actually affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is actually selling other people's product to get a commission, of course, out of that actual product or sale. Now, you can actually get this pen. Now, this is actually a pen. You can actually get this pen for nothing less than 100 naira, 50 naira, I think. Yeah, 50, 70 naira. You can get this pen, and let's say you get this pen from the manufacturer at 15 naira, and you tell the manufacturer, okay, look, I want to sell this pen for you, but you actually give me a discount price of 40 naira. So that 10% is actually my affiliate commission. I don't know if you have understand them, but you can still go on, grab courses on Udemy, watch free tutorials on YouTube on how to actually make money on affiliate marketing, and you learn a whole lot of that for yourself. And that will be all for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Now, if you want to actually be my personal student, you want to actually learn a whole lot from me, please just comment down in the comment section, tell me you want to actually do that. I'll give you the link to actually sign up on my to be my student, and I'll be always there 247 for you. And that will be all, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.